Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get Notion's gallery view to display cover images for your pages, so your workspace looks polished, eye-catching, and a whole lot easier to browse. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a gallery that visually pops, which is helpful whether you're organizing recipes, notes, or project dashboards. Let's dive in and set your Notion up to show those beautiful covers in gallery view. The first thing you'll want to do is create a new gallery view. In Notion, you do this by typing gallery. The / command is kind of like Notion's way of serving up options, and typing gallery instantly lets you add a new gallery database to your page. If you're new to databases in Notion, don't worry. The gallery is just a visual way to display collection items as cards, perfect for anything where a little visual preview makes sense. Once you've set up your gallery, you'll add your first page or item to this database. Just click the New button, or that blank card that says Add a Page. When you do this, you're basically creating a new card for your gallery. Now, to make those cards stand out visually, you'll want to add both an icon and a cover image. The icon is the little symbol that appears in the corner of each card, and the cover is the big image that grabs people's attention. When you've opened the page, click Add Icon and choose something fun or relevant. Think of it as the page's little personality badge. Then add a cover image. You can upload your own photo or pick from Unsplash's free gallery built right into Notion. Choose something that visually represents what's inside that page. For example, if it's a recipe, maybe a photo of food. At this point, you might notice that your gallery cards aren't quite showing the covers the way you imagined. Don't worry, this next part is what unlocks that visual preview. Head back out of your individual page and return to the gallery view itself. Look for the 3-dot menu or settings for the gallery view. It's usually at the top right corner of your database. Click it, then choose Layout. This is where Notion lets you customize how your gallery cards appear. Inside the layout options, you'll find something called Card Preview. This determines what image shows up on the face of each card in your gallery. By default, Notion might set this to none, or maybe a property like an image field, but we want it to show the cover image you just set on your page. Click the drop-down for Card Preview and select Page Cover. Once you choose this option, Notion will instantly update your gallery so that each card proudly displays its cover image right on top. It's a small tweak, but it makes a massive difference in how easy, engaging, and organized your workspace feels. This part might take a few moments to adjust if you have several cards, so don't worry if you need to go back and fill in a few covers for older pages. And that's all there is to it. Pretty simple once you know where to look, right? But these little touches can really transform the look and usefulness of your Notion setups. If you run into any issues, double-check that your pages actually have a cover added. Otherwise, the cards will just show a blank header. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another Notion feature you'd like explained. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.